Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to PVR Info. This is Ram. Right, in previous classes, we discussed about tenses, right? In the last session, I discussed about tenses and what is the meaning of tense and how many types of tenses are there and about brief introduction about tenses, right? Present tense, past tense, future tense, three types of tenses and again subtypes also explained, right? Now, today I will let you know about present tense. Present tense means what is happening right now. ప్రెజెంట్ ఏం జరుగుతుందో అని చెప్పేదానికోసం ప్రెజెంట్ టెన్స్ యూజ్ చేస్తారు. ఇప్పుడు ఏం జరుగుతుంది ప్రస్తుతం, దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ప్రెజెంట్ టెన్స్. ప్రెజెంట్ టెన్స్ ఈజ్ ఆఫ్ 4 టైప్స్. ఓకే, లెట్ మీ రైట్ హియర్ వాట్ ఈస్ హ్యాపెనింగ్ రైట్ నౌ. వాట్ ఈస్ హ్యాపెనింగ్, దిస్ ఈస్ ప్రెజెంట్ టెన్స్. ఓకే, రైట్ నౌ ఏం జరుగుతుంది అని. నెక్స్ట్ దిస్ ఈస్ 4 టైప్స్. ఫస్ట్ వన్ సింపుల్ ప్రెజెంట్. Second one, present continuous. Third one, present perfect. Present perfect. Fourth one, present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense. Okay, these are the 4 types of tenses in present tense. First one, simple present. Simple present means regular actions and universal truth. Everyday activities, whatever we do every day, that is simple present. Here, regular activities, let me explain you one by one. First, simple present tense means regular activities and universal truth. రోజు మనం చేసే యాక్టివిటీస్ అండ్ యూనివర్సల్ ట్రూత్ అంటే నిత్య సత్యాలు. Right, we cannot change. Second one, present continuous. Present continuous means what is happening right now. ఇప్పుడు ఏం జరుగుతోంది present అది. Present perfect, already started in past, recently completed. Means yesterday or day before yesterday, 1 second before started, just now completed. That is present perfect. Present perfect continuous, already started in past, still continue in present. Means నిన్న మొన్న లేకపోతే ఒక సెకండ్ ముందు స్టార్ట్ అయింది, ఇప్పటికి కూడా జరుగుతూ ఉంది. దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ఐ హ్యావ్ బీన్ టీచింగ్ ఫర్ 5 minutes. నేను ఆల్రెడీ 5 minutes బిఫోర్ స్టార్ట్ చేశాను, ఇప్పటికీ టీచ్ చేస్తూ ఉన్నాను, కంటిన్యూ. దట్ ఈస్ ప్రెజెంట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ అండి. ఆర్ ఐ హ్యావ్ ఫినిష్డ్ మై క్లాస్ అంటే ఆల్రెడీ స్టార్ట్ చేశాను, ఇప్పుడే కంప్లీట్ అయింది నా క్లాసు, అది ప్రెజెంట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్. ఐఎమ్ టీచింగ్, ఇప్పుడు ప్రెజెంట్ కంటిన్యూస్ చెప్తూ ఉన్నాను, నేను టీచ్ చేస్తున్నాను, ప్రెజెంట్ కంటిన్యూస్. I teach every day. రోజు చెప్పేదాను I teach. This is about 4 tenses in present tense. Now let me explain you one by one briefly. Okay? First one is simple present. In tenses, very very important topics sir. Out of these 12 tenses, 7 are very very important. Total 12 tenses are there, right? Present tense 4, past tense 4 and future tense 4 tenses. Total 12 tenses. Out of these 12, 7 are very very important. We use regularly while speaking. మనం మాట్లాడేటప్పుడు తరచుగా యూజ్ చేసేవి 7 tenses. సో వన్ బై వన్ ఐ విల్ లెట్ యు నో. ఫస్ట్ 12 tenses మీకు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను, ఆ తర్వాత ఐ విల్ లెట్ యు నో వాట్ ఆర్ ద 7 tenses, ఇంపార్టెంట్ tenses. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ సింపుల్ ప్రెజెంట్ టెన్స్. సింపుల్ ప్రెజెంట్ టెన్స్ మీన్స్ రెగ్యులర్ యాక్టివిటీస్ అండ్ యూనివర్సల్ ట్రూత్. రెగ్యులర్ యాక్టివిటీస్ అండ్ యూనివర్సల్ ట్రూత్. Truth. Every day I teach you only 1 by 1 tenses. Only 1 tense I teach. Okay, every day I teach you only 1 tense because tenses are very very important, backbone of communication skills and English grammar part, very important topic. So that's why simple present tense is 1 day and simple past is 1 day, present continuous 1 day, every day only 1 tense. And because practice is very very important. It is not about understanding. You can easily understand, very easily you can understand these present tenses, but practice makes man perfect. So that's why practice is very very important. While practicing only discussion, okay, discussion with others, or do mistakes, then only you can learn a lot of things. First you have to start with the mistakes. Okay, now here regular activities and universal truth. Even I learned tenses. Okay, I learned tenses within 1 week or 10 days. But for the usage, I took 6 months time. You don't believe this, because when I was in BTech, I started my English lab. Okay, our sir took the English lab and he started every session. Means if any institutions or anything is there, we can escape. Okay, we can escape from that if you are not interested. But in our engineering college, if language lab is there or English lab is there, we cannot escape. We must be there. So that's why there, when I started my classes, English lab, even he used to teach everyday tenses. Tenses on every day. When I was in BTech, I got very bored with the tenses. But after some time, when I started my training position, I started my training career in Bangalore. There, when I started there, I started my demo with tenses. Unknowingly, right, I gave demo on tenses. It is very interesting. Okay, because even unexpectedly, I did not expect. I started with tenses directly. I didn't practice also. So that's why. Then I realized that in my BTech, okay, he was my lecturer. He trained me in such a way that tenses are very important. While speaking, everything it depends on tenses only. Everything. So that's why I understood. I always thankful to him. Okay. And here, simple present tense and regular activities and universal truth. Simple present means everyday activities. రోజు ఏం జరుగుతాయో ఆ యాక్టివిటీస్ కోసం, అండ్ యూనివర్సల్ ట్రూత్ ఏం జరుగుతాయో ఈ రెండు, యూనివర్సల్ ట్రూత్ అండ్ రెగ్యులర్ యాక్టివిటీస్ ఆర్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ హియర్, because in regularly if you talk to anyone, generally we use regular activities. Here simple present tense means first one structure is there, subject plus verb 1 plus object. Here let me explain you one more thing. Subjects singular and plural subjects are there. I, we, you, they. These are plural subjects. I and you are exceptions. Sometimes singular, sometimes plural. But he, she, it, always singular. మనం ఏం మాట్లాడాలన్నా సబ్జెక్ట్ వర్బ్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఈజ్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్, రైట్? I said already. So in that plural subjects are I, we, you, they, he, she, it are singulars. Naming words also singulars. Okay. Now here in present tense, simple present tense, subject plus verb 1 plus object. Now we know about subject. Now let me explain you about verb. Verbs are 3 types. Here V1, V2, V3. If you take. Okay, let me write here. Okay, once again. Now here, subject, verb, object, simple present tense. You can follow the notation also. That is also better for you. Simple present tense, regular activities and universal truth. Subject plus V1 plus object. Now we know about subject. Subject means singular and plural. He, she, it. These are singular. I, we, you, they. These are plural subjects. Naming words also here singulars. Names Ram, Shyam. These are also singulars. Now here verb. V1, V2, V3, V4, V5. First one, if you take one example, go, went, gone. Here V4 means V1 plus ing form. Going. V5, V1 plus S or ES. Goes. Understand my point? First, one more example, sleep or eat. Eat. Easy తీసుకుందాం. Eat. Ate. Eaten. eating, eat plus ing, eating. Here eats, yes or es. If go is there, so es, otherwise s. No problem, yes or es depends on meaning. Okay, this is about v1, v2, v3, v4, v5. Okay, these are verbs, these are subjects. Now simple present tense is very easy thing. రెగ్యులర్ గా మనం యూజ్ చేసేది రెగ్యులర్ యాక్టివిటీస్, రెగ్యులర్ యాక్షన్స్. Here if you take singular example or plural example, I kada, so for here, okay, let me explain you one more. Singular is different formula, plural is different formula. For plurals, subject plus v1 plus object. For singulars, subject plus v1 plus s or es plus object. That's it. You have to follow this. Here plurals, right? Plurals means I, we, you, they. I, we, you, they go to school. He, she, it goes to school. That's it. Understand my point? Let me write you here clearly. Now for singulars, subject plus v1 plus s or es plus object. For plurals, subject plus v1 plus object. In subject verb object, I explained you about this, right? Because subject verb object topic I explained you here already. Subject is singular, verb is plural. I said right, in subject verb object అనే టాపిక్ లో మీకు ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పున్నాను నేను. సబ్జెక్ట్ సింగులర్ అయితే verb అనేది ప్లూరల్. He works here, she works here, it works here. I, we, you, they work here. సేమ్ ఫార్ములా హియర్. రోజు చేసే పని కోసం చెప్పేదాన్ని, ఎవ్రీడే యాక్టివిటీస్ చెప్పేదాని కోసం మనం సింగులర్స్ కి అయితే ఇది యూజ్ చేస్తాము, ఇదైతే మనం యూజ్ చేస్తాం. ఐ గో టు స్కూల్, యూ గో టు స్కూల్, వి గో టు స్కూల్, దే గో టు స్కూల్. ప్లూరల్ సబ్జెక్ట్స్ కోసం ఐ, వి, యూ, దే ఓన్లీ v1 యూజ్ చేస్తాం. వర్బ్ 1 గో, ఈట్, ఐ ఈట్ ఫుడ్, ఐ టేక్ ఫుడ్, ఐ స్లీప్, ఐ ఈట్, ఐ బ్రష్, ఓకే, ఐ డ్రింక్ వాటర్ ఎవ్రీ డే. సేమ్ మీనింగ్, బట్ హీ, షీ, ఇట్ అదర్ పర్సన్ గురించి మాట్లాడుతున్నాం అన్నప్పుడు he sleeps every day, he eats every day, she takes bath every day, he takes food every day, he drinks water every day. These are the examples we have to use. For he, she, it, takes, okay, take plus s, takes food every day. If you are saying takes food means already every day only, so no need to use every day. I go to school అంటే నేను రోజు వెళ్తాననే మీనింగ్, మళ్ళీ ఎవ్రీ డే అని యూజ్ చేయక్కర్లేదు. We don't need to use every day. Sir, I go to school, I teach English, okay, I teach soft skills, I train communication skills. మీ అయితే జనరల్ గా నేను రెగ్యులర్ గా I train communication skills అని, అంతేగాని I train communication skills every day, no need. Okay, and here I, we, you, they go to school. That's it. I, we, you, they go to school, he, she, it goes to school. Okay, here if you take same example, take food every day, take. That's it. Here every day another రాయక్కర్లేదు, no need to write every day because it means every day only. I, we, you, they take food every day. He, she, it takes food every day. సింగులర్స్ ఉంటే he, she, it అనే యూజ్ చేస్తే ఎప్పుడైనా మనం రెగ్యులర్ గా డైలీ జరిగే వాటి కోసం చెప్పాలి అంటే వర్బ్ పక్కన ఎస్ గానీ ఈఎస్ గానీ యూజ్ చేయాలి. అంటే ప్లూరల్ కోసం యూజ్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఏది యూజ్ చేయాలి, ఓన్లీ వర్బ్ 1 ఒకటి యూజ్ చేస్తే చాలు. ఇక్కడ v1, v2, v3 అన్నా నేను ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పాను. గో, వెంట్, గాన్, ఈట్, ate, eaten. అది Okay, this is about simple present tense. Okay, and one more example. Now, universal truths. Universal truth. Universal truth means the earth revolves around the sun. The earth means it. For example, if you take earth means singular, right? So it revolves. Revolve means V1 plus S or ES. Revolves around the sun object. So subject plus V1 plus object. V1 is the earth and singular. ఒకటే కదా. So అందుకనే ఇది రాసు. The sun rises in the east. The sun is singular. So rise plus S, rises in the east. Directions before we have to use article the. Okay, understand? So before the directions we must use the article. Before the unique things, earth, sun, moon, these are unique things, one thing existing in the world. So the article we use it here. The earth revolves around the sun. Revolve plus S. Revolve V1 plus S. Revolves. Singular kabatti V1 plus S plus object. Understand my point? This way we have to use simple present tense. Regular actions are universal truth. Very, very important. Please do practice. And here V1, V2, V3. Very, very important. Subjects also very important. Singulars and plurals you have to differ. మీరు డిఫర్ చేయాలి. Singular means he, she, it and naming words. I, we, you, they. These are plural subjects. I and you are exceptions. Sometimes singular, sometimes plural. If you are going for regular actions, subject singular, subject plus V1 plus S or ES plus object. If you are going for plural subjects, subject plus V1 plus object. I, we, you, they go to school. Okay? He, she, it goes to school. That means regular, everyday chese activities kosa use. I go to gym every day. Right? He, she, it goes to gym every day. That is. Universal truth. Universal truth means we cannot change. Water boils at 100 degrees centigrade. Water, singular. So boils. Boil plus S or ES. Right? Boils plus at 100 degrees centigrade. That is universal truth. The sun rises in the east. The sun sets in the west. We can use the sun rises means the sun is a singular. So rise plus S. It rises in the east. Say before the directions and before the unities we must use the article. This is about simple present tense. Very, very important. Please do practice. Practice only makes you understand very well. Right? And V1, V2, V3 also very, very important. V4, V5, this V forms also. Verb forms are very, 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 very important. Lot of tables are there. In Google also you can find that. I will put the link, okay, in the comments. Okay. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.